Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on using JuiceFS cloud service via the AWS Marketplace. First, open the AWS console. In the search bar, type Marketplace click on Discover Products on the left side. Now search for JuiceFS cloud service and make sure to select the offer sold by JuiceFS. You can review the pricing on the product detail page. To proceed, click the View Purchase Options button in the top right corner, and then click Subscribe in the Purchase section. Next, click the Set Up Your Account button from the green banner at the top. This will open a new tab and take you to the JuiceFS console. Click Confirm for the subscription. If you don't have a JuiceFS account, you can create one here. I personally signed in with my GitHub account. Once your subscription is confirmed by AWS, you'll see an AWS icon at the top right corner of your JuiceFS account. Now let's create our first file system. Click the console link or the logo at the top left to go to the JuiceFS backend console. Then, click Create First File System. Enter the number of trash expiration days. For testing purposes, you can enter 0 to disable the trash bin feature. Next, choose Amazon Web Services and select your region. Click Next Step, give your file system a nice name, and then click Create. Once your file system is created, copy the mount command and paste it into an existing EC2 instance. The command will download the latest JuiceFS binary and mount the new file system. When the script asks for a token, copy it from the console. You'll also need a pair of access keys and a secret for S3. Make sure the access keys have S3 read and write permissions for the bucket. After mounting the file system, you can run a benchmark to quickly check the performance. The performance of JuiceFS depends on the network. In our demo, we achieved 110 megabytes per second on a T2.small instance. When we switched to an X5.4x large instance, the performance increased to 600 megabytes per second. That's our demo of JuiceFS Cloud Service on AWS. If you have any questions, feel free to join our GitHub discussions using the link below.